Let's learn about hot air balloons today.
Hi guys, I hope everyone enjoyed the video of the hot air balloon. Did you know that flew right over my house? When you were watching the video, did you notice the fire or the flame that went inside the balloon? Do you know why? Well, because a hot air balloon needs hot air in order to fly. That's right. Something about hot air rises. So if you put hot air inside of something, it will rise up. If you put cold air inside of something, what do you think will happen? It will fall down. Cold air is heavier than hot air. So in order to fly a hot air balloon, they need to put they use fire. They put a little bit of fire inside the balloon and it makes hot air and it fills the whole balloon up with hot air. So the hot air balloon can slowly start to rise. So we're gonna do an experiment today and we're going to see if we can make that happen. So are you ready? Okay. Okay guys, so now we're gonna see what happens when we put this balloon, this deflated balloon, into hot water. Let's see if the hot air rises and pops up the balloon. It did! So it's showing you that hot air is building up inside of the bottle and hot air rises and lifted the balloon up. Now what do you think is going to happen when I put it in the cold water? It's going to change the hot air to cold air. What's happening? Uh-oh. Look at it. It's not only just deflating, it's pulling all the air out of this balloon. It's almost completely flat right here. So let's go back to what we talked about. What does hot air do? It rises. What does cold air do? It falls. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed it.
Today we're gonna talk about measuring. And just like the hot air balloons that were over Miss Jackie's cottage, they were so beautiful. In here I have a picture of a hot air balloon. To measure, we usually use a ruler. And a ruler is divided into inches or centimeters. Those are the units that's divided by. But I want to use my little doll to measure how tall this hot air balloon is. So I'm gonna put it right here and I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna see this 1, 2, 3.5. So by using my doll, this hot air balloon is 3.5 dolls tall. This is my unit. I can also use a marker cap to measure. Let me measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This hot air balloon is 5 caps tall. So you can use anything you like to measure. I hope that you had fun learning how to measure.
Thanks, Miss Jackie. Maybe we could use balloons to measure things. That would be really cool. So for your STEAM challenge, we would like you guys to try and make your very own hot air balloon. Let's see what you come up with.